Sociology, a young discipline comparatively, but plays a prominent and significant role in making sense of everyone's daily life. Welcome to Oshin's Corner, and today we have a very special guest with us. He is none other than Akshay Sharma, the heartthrob of this batch of 2021. So I welcome you, Akshay, first of all.
Thank you, ma'am.
So congratulations to you on securing rank 9 in this prestigious services. So let's start with the interview portion. It is not going to be very formal as we are colleagues. So I expect you to keep it as much as casual and informal you can. So Akshay, let's start. Who is Akshay Sharma?
Akshay Sharma is a regular guy, hailing from district Una, a small town of Done his study from DAV School Lambota, a local school. After that, done his BTech in mechanical engineering from DAV College Jalandhar. And after that, like any other person of India trying to make a mark in the society, try to be a civil servant. And through the grace of God, got selected in the HAS.
Very nice, very nice. So Akshay, as you told that you were an engineer, so maximum people who are preparing for the services, I think mostly they are engineers. So what was the take on, what is your take on this, that how do you shift the whole scenario? You were reading mechanical engineering and then suddenly you are studying all the subjects of history, polity, geography. How do you make that shift comfortable for you?
Actually, in my case, it was not that difficult because in the 4 year of engineering, I never studied. So most of the things like the subjects of engineering was relatively more alien to me than the history and polity. On the serious note, I would say that an engineer is very objective, is very rational, is very scientific. Like any other person of arts background, he is not very much into studying everything. He is more of a smart study person. So I think that thing would be a thing that an engineer is very much comfortable in,
right,
shifting towards the civils and history, polity and all those subjects.
Okay, so it was comfortable for you?
Obviously, because in my case, I was not here to do a PhD in any subject.
Right.
For me, it was about this is the syllabus, I have to do this much of books. So it was more objective thing, not like I have to do a PhD in every subject.
So this is what I keep on telling my aspirants in Himachal, that you don't have to do PhD, you just need to know something about everything.
Exactly.
So this is the thing. So Akshay, when did you begin your preparation and what was that force that compelled you to begin it?
Actually, when a person doesn't get a job after engineering, he thinks of doing whatever he can do. In my case, I think that being a member of privileged family, it was never been a thing for me to do anything in life. For example, in my case, the expectations were very low from my parents' side that I was like, ठीक है यार, कुछ तो करते हैं लाइफ में, अगर घर वाले अगर सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो. So in 2017, I suppose, I started doing, after my engineering, I started doing the preparations. And yeah, then in 18, I gave UPSC, realized that I am not of that level. So try to minimize my level, and analyze the portions which I am good in which I am not good in, analyze the competition, and I realized HAS would be a more safer option in the short-term course. So yeah, I have done the HAS in 2019 and 2020. It was the second time I have done the exam.
But maybe actually, as you said that you were not meant for UPSC or bigger things. I personally feel that maybe in life we set paradigms, different paradigms. So maybe HS is your first thing.
That's what I said, na, ki on short-term base.
Right.
So in long-term, definitely UPSC would be a goal, because from HAS one go promote to IAS. So it's better कि वो 15-20 साल का gap जो है वो जल्दी पूरा कर ले.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So next IAS officer definitely Akshay Sharma. Actually, my next question would be that why did you choose this particular subject, sociology?
Tell you honestly, the first thing that came to my mind was the subject and its syllabus. So there were 3-4 optionals whose syllabus I thought is less. One was the sociology, then there was geology, and then there was public administration, and one more is psychology. So these were the 4 optional. I jotted down कि हाँ these 4 optionals have a short syllabus. ठीक है. Then I think about it कि I've read the previous year exams paper. ठीक है. Okay, can I relate to any one of those answers? Can I write those answers? So I have studied like 5-year paper of UPSC paper of psychology, of geology, of sociology. So, and then with the passage of time of 1 month, 2 months, you think about your weaknesses. You think that what you can study, what you can't study, and then I got down to sociology on objective base.
Right.
Not like that. I want, because as I mentioned earlier, that my idea was to crack the exam, not to do the PhD. So it was more like, okay, I can do this. I am understanding this subject. Let's go for this subject. And one more thing I would say is that for an engineer, because we don't have a very vast vocabulary of English, because we don't know big English words. So for us, it is better to do sociology, because psychology is more like you have to write big words. So that was the main reason choosing between psychology and sociology, and I chose the latter.
So did you have or do you have interest in sociology now?
Not really.
Really?
No. I tell you one thing, that yes, you study a subject for 2-3 years, it becomes close to your heart. You want to study more and more about it. Okay? But at the end of the day, in retrospect, if you look at this subject, I don't think that I had that kind of love for the subject. It's more like objective. I have an objective. I have to complete that objective, and it is a mean to get my objective. So yeah. Obviously, the love for any science student would be physics or mathematics.
Chemistry,
But yeah, so this subject is a mean to get to any goal.
So what is the strategy that you followed for it?
So I would say that as there are 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2. So paper 1 is more of the theories. So there are 4 in the HAS exam. There are 4 thinkers mentioned in the syllabus. One is the Auguste Comte, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, and Karl Marx. So I had spent like 40% of my preparation in these 4 thinkers.
Right.
And after that, I analyzed the whole syllabus and got to the syllabus को सिर्फ पढ़ा मैंने कि where I can apply those 4 thinkers. ठीक है. So in paper 2 you have, despite the fact no one has mentioned these 4 thinkers in paper 2, but you can apply their theories in the paper 2 portion also. So the idea was to get to know about the thinkers, get to know about the basics of sociology, and then to apply those principles in the paper 2, because paper 2 is Indian society. So in Indian society you have to, for example, for example, you can say the caste system in India. Okay? So in caste system, there is, everyone knows what caste system is, but a theory of Max Weber is caste, class, power and privilege. Theory of Marx, and you can apply that theory in paper 2 in caste, class and power. Okay? So you can apply those things. It can only happen if you have the full knowledge of the 4 thinkers. So idea is that first study the 4 thinkers, then apply those things on regular basis. So when you are eating your food, think about कहाँ पे apply कर सकते हो. When you are doing something else, think about कि इसको वहाँ भी लगा सकते हैं. That was a strategy to first of all get the basic idea of the discipline, got to know about the thinkers, and then application of them on regular basis. Right. And there are few in Hindu and Indian Express. There are many professors of sociology who write the articles like the Subhash Mahapatra, and there is I'm forgetting the names, but the thing written and there is like Krishna Kumar is there. Okay, those professors of sociology make a short note of those articles.
You mentioned which newspapers? Hindu,
Indian and Indian Express. Yes.
Right.
And one more thing is that observe the society. मतलब एक वो है ना कि अगर देखने का शौक है तो शौक के दीदार पैदा करें. ठीक है. तो मतलब कि you have to have a eye for the society, because sociology is scientific study of society. It came from word socius and logos. Socius means society, logos means scientific study. ठीक है. तो look at the things, observe them, and quote them.
Hmm.
So, for example, in the last year exam, there was a question on women's violence.
Hmm.
ठीक है, domestic women's violence in the Indian society. In the paper too, it was the 8th question, I think, if I'm not forgetting that thing. So in that question, I wrote about the Hathras because it happened at that time. ठीक है.
Right.
So I rated the whole Hathras incident,
Hmm.
the caste angle and the
Hmm.
woman angle in it,
Hmm.
and I think I got a good marks
Hmm.
because of that. So you have to have a eye for the current,
Hmm.
analyze them and put it down in the paper.
Right, right. So, are there some specific books जो पढ़नी ही चाहिए सोशो के लिए?
Exactly, there is a Horolumbus. Everybody would know that if
Okay.
they are preparing for it. Horolumbus have, and then there are.
Sorry to interrupt, but is Horolumbus is similar to Jagmohan Balokra when it comes to Himachal? It is huge book, but then you have to read it very selectively.
You have to read wholly.
Okay, so you have to read completely.
Completely, because the idea is that we don't have that kind of books which are of like sociology per se. ठीक है? No, we have, like, for example, we can have 10 books on caste system, we can have 20 books on, say, class structure of India, we can have 30 books on the poverty in India, the reasons for poverty in India, but we don't have a book from which we can develop original kind of thoughts about all these things. So Horolumbus is there, there's a book of Fritz, it's a series of books of Fritz, you can go read those books, and after that, if someone is, like, doesn't want to study, thinks that yaar mujhse nahi ho raha, then he can obviously go for C.N. Shankar Rao of Astran publication. I highly disrecommend the book because it's plain text, very weird, and you can't develop original thought after reading that thing.
Okay.
But if you think that here Horolumbus is very, because the prelims is coming, and after that, after 1.5 months there will be a prelims, and after 2 months there will be mains. So if you want to go, for example, कि मैंने experience लेना है इस बार का मेरी तैयारी अच्छी नहीं है, then you can go for C.N. Shankar Rao, paper 1, paper 2. That would be, I wouldn't recommend it, but for giving the exam, why not?
Okay, okay. So these two books.
Horolumbus is the main book, you have to read it word by word.
Okay.
ठीक है, and then there is Ritz books, ठीक है, and then C.N. Shankar Rao if you want to read them, just for short term research. But if you want to crack the exam, you have to read the Horolumbus book.
And then, as you said, that you have to supplement it with current affairs.
Current affairs.
That is the most important thing. Okay. So, Akshay, did you join some test series for it?
Yeah, for the HAS, no.
Okay.
For GS, definitely, because, but for HAS sociology part, no, because there was no test series available in the market, and I realized one thing, that in Chandigarh, where the most of the coaching centers are of HAS, most of them are below par.
Okay.
When it comes to sociology. I thought it might be sound bit cocky from my side here. I know more than any other professor which is teaching in those coaching centers of sociology. So I thought कि ठीक है यार, इससे अच्छा मैं खुद ही तैयारी कर लूँ, खुद ही आंसर बना के खुद ही evaluate कर सकता हूँ, rather than going to someone else.
Means अगर आप अपनी किताबें अच्छे से पढ़ें तो आप आंसर भी अच्छा लिख ही लेंगे.
And instead of कि किसी और पे करने की बजाय, because I tell you one thing, in GS there is a time frame. ठीक है, you have to write 4,000 words. But in sociology, and you might also know in the history also, where your optional is, we don't have that kind of कि हमें इतने words लिखने हैं.
Right.
ठीक है? It is more about the quality. Yes, you have to write. You can't leave the questions. But we know कि 32 sheets हैं. ठीक है? और questions काफी broad आते हैं. ऐसे नहीं तो कि pinpointed questions आएंगे. Questions are very broad and very vast.
Right.
You can accommodate most of things in any question. ठीक है? So I think कि अपने आप को believe रखो. And test series की बजाय अपने आप questions को लिखो and उनको अपने आप evaluate करो. And मतलब I do one thing. I used to do one thing कि अपने answer के साथ में थोड़ी जगह छोड़ता था मैं यहाँ पे. And then I go to the book, Horolumbus and all those books. And then I used to think अच्छा यहाँ पे इस line पे हम यहाँ पे ये point भी डाल सकते हैं. So do that thing also when you are evaluating your answer.
Right, right. So this was all about sociology and the strategy. Do you think कि आपका जो subject है आपको अब काम आने वाला है या काम आ रहा है, even though अभी training चल रही है, do you think you can relate with it, whatever you read and practically whatever is happening above government setup में, do you think it is playing a part?
I think the beauty of this subject is that it is applicable to any person's life. It can be applicable to any person's life. What I want to say is that say for example, you are a SPM, okay, and you are working as, and there is a caste riot, okay, a riot happens. So you have a notion of caste. You know that what really caste is,
Right.
and you would be better suited than a person who has a mathematics optional or any other option. You can get it's a caste problem. These are the reasons why caste conflicts happen, and you could be better you will be in better condition to solve those problems.
Right.
Secondly, we read in sociology the poverty, the deprivation, all those things that we as a civil servant has to deal with. Okay? So if you know what poverty is, why there is poverty, you would be better. हमारे पास ज़्यादा औजार होंगे to handle this.
So it means a sociologist कहीं ना कहीं हर चीज को, प्रॉब्लम को एक उस लेंस से देख पाएगा जो कि शायद एक आम आदमी ना देख पाए.
नहीं देख पाएगा, exactly.
So thank you so much अक्षय, आपने टाइम निकाला and you came here for our aspirants, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी डिमांड आ रही थी कि सोशोलॉजी ऑप्शनल के लिए प्लीज़ मैम बताएं, बिकॉज अब मुझे लगता है कि इस चैनल की वजह से काफ़ी सारे बच्चों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है अपनी बात आगे रखने का, एंड यू बिकेम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. थैंक यू सो मच. अक्षय जो है वो बहुत अच्छी शेर व शायरी करते हैं क्लास में. ही कीप ऑल ऑफ अस एंटरटेन्ड. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट हिम कि एक शेर या कोई पर्टिकुलर कोट हो जाए आपकी तरफ से, जस्ट यू नो टू सम इट अप.
This is a quote of बरदूनी. ठीक है, हर चीज़ नहीं है मरकज़ पर. मरकज़ मतलब होता है सेंटर. ठीक है, हर चीज़ नहीं है मरकज़ पर, एक ज़र्रा इधर एक ज़र्रा उधर, नफरत से ना देखते दुश्मन को, शायद वो मोहब्बत कर बैठे. So in this world we need to look at other people from their perspective, then imposing our perspective on them.
Right.
So think about that.
So this was it for today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned at Oshin's Corner, and I'll be back with the next topper series very soon. Thank you so much.